The All India Insurance Employees Association, along with 10 central trade unions and scores of independent All India federations all over the country, is going on 2-day strike on 28th and 29th of March. The basic call of the strike is to save the nation and save the people. We have been seeing that the Indian economy today is in dire straits. Much before the COVID pandemic came, the economy was already in shambles because of the faulty policies of the government on the question of demonetization, as also the patchy implementation of the goods and services tax. Because of these two faulty policies, the unorganized sector, the micro, small and medium enterprises, they were badly damaged and ruined. Then came the COVID pandemic. And naturally, when the entire economy was shut down with a mere 4 hours notice, the crisis that was already building up because of the demonetization and GST, it got exacerbated still further. When the economy was confronted with a crisis, the government took a specious plea that the only way to come out of the crisis is to privatize India's public sector institutions lock, stock and barrel. In the name, or rather giving a very wrong notion of self-reliance, the government went on to declare its policy for public sector enterprises. And although the government put the insurance industry in the domain of the strategic industries, and the government told that the government will have a bare minimum presence in the strategic industries, but we insurance employees see there is a mad rush to privatize the public sector insurance industries, particularly the life insurance corporation and the public sector general insurance companies. The new India in the public sector domain has already been disinvested. Last year, the finance minister told that along with 2 public sector banks, she will also be privatizing 1 public sector general insurance company. But unfortunately, the way the bill was bulldozed in Parliament in the month of August 2021, the government has virtually paved the way for privatization of all the companies in the domain of public sector general insurance. Along with that, there is a mad rush to privatize the Life Insurance Corporation of India, but the only question is, they are not calling it privatization as such, they are calling it initial public offer. But our organization, the AIIEA, feels that IPO is nothing but a step towards the privatization, the first step towards the privatization of the successful premier public sector institution, the LIC. So our basic demand on the 28th and 29th strike is against the privatization of LIC, the public sector general insurance companies and the public sector institutions in India at large. Secondly, even though 56 months have elapsed, we submitted our charter of demands for revision of wages and salaries for the employees in public sector general insurance. Till now, let alone, forget about settlement of the wage revision issue. The management has not started even any dialogue, any discussion with the union for a meaningful settlement of the wage revision question. When the employees have contributed enormously for the growth and prosperity of the public sector general insurance companies, today the government is offering a false argument, completely misplaced argument that they are not doing well. If they are not doing well, the responsibility lies not with the employees, it lies with the government for the faulty policies of the government so far as public sector general insurance companies are concerned. It is with an intention to recapitalize the public sector general insurance companies so that to make them ready for disinvestment, the government is playing havoc. So our demand is that immediately the genuine wage revision demand of the employees in public sector general insurance companies, it should be settled. Third and most important demand for the employees in both the life and general insurance sector is that the employees in insurance industries, they have been meted out gross injustice so far as our pension is concerned. The pension in the insurance industry was also modeled on the pension of central government employees. During the recommendations of the Fifth Pay Commission under the chairmanship of Justice Ratnabel Pandian, a number of improvements were given to the pension scheme of central government employees. But even then, these benefits have not flowed to the employees in the public sector insurance industry. The managements of LIC and public sector general insurance companies, they have sent their recommendation for some improvement in the family pension. But unfortunately, the government that always keeps pontificating about the virtues of efficiency and productivity, they are sleeping over the issue. This issue has not yet been resolved. We are happy that a large section of the workers, almost 20 crore workers, cutting across all industries, they are on the path of struggle on demands which are very much similar to the demands that we have projected. So this strike is an opportunity for insurance employees to make common cause with other sections of the toiling people and join the struggle en masse. We know struggle is the only way out. Bank employees have stalled privatization through struggle. The government had to withdraw the farm bills because of struggle. In spite of the laws having been passed, till now, the labor codes have not been implemented because of the united resistance of the working people. We feel this 2-day strike is another landmark achievement, a landmark struggle during the course of our ongoing struggle for the last 30 years, and this will certainly stand us in good stead to halt the process of privatization and to secure the much delayed, long delayed benefits to the employees. We have to struggle, and we appeal all the employees in public sector insurance industry, both LIC and PSGI companies, to join this struggle en masse. Thank you.